ऑप्टेल ह्या फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनीन गोंयान आपले युनिट उभारला. कंपनीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर मुखेल सोयरे म्हण हाजीर आसले. ह्या वेळार कंपनीचे व्यवस्थापक आनी हेर मनीस हाजीर आशिल्ले. डेस्क वखती वास्कोच्यान जॉन डी सिल्वा.
Promoting such units, Investment Promotion Board takes care to see that the unit which comes will be environment friendly, the unit which comes will not create pollution problem, and the unit which comes will create employment generation. This is a unit which is giving about 100 direct employment besides about 800 to 1000 indirect employment. I welcome them here to Goa. I have been told that they have selected Goa as a manufacturing site. It is because of the clean environment here in